Hi viewer, today I'm going to show you how I work out the design for a children's book, a page for a children's book, and it's part of first part of two videos. The next one will be how I develop this picture here into a much bigger and not quite but almost finished product. I'm using a template here which is 10 by 8 centimeters, and I've divided it conveniently into thirds. That's to make it easier to transfer up, if you like. So this is one way. We've just cast off from the boat shed, and then we're further out, and he's pointing up to the moon here, so just keep it very, very simple. He's standing up, he's so excited. And of course his little pal here is looking up as well. Dad is just concentrating on rowing the boat, and we'll just keep him in silhouette form. And older brother is here, being a bit cheeky to him actually. So tell him to sit down, otherwise he might fall in, or something like that. So with these stories, you want to stay really loose. Don't make any firm decisions, and just keep it loose, and just be flexible. Now I'll put a bit of this land mass which is just in here, which will be in shadow. Put a bit of that because the dog's white, and so we might make him pop a little bit by putting a darker mass behind. Not really concerned with detail at the moment. And that's the horizon line there. Right, here we've got I've thought of a different way of viewing him. Put the dog on this side, and just leaning over there and just being a little dog. Boy is still excited looking at the moon up there. It's probably the first time he's seen it. Okay, so here he is. Different point of view. And here's a little trick I just worked out for you. Dad's just in silhouette form because he's just rowing the boat, but I've put the hand just there. Now this is the sort of thing you need to think about when you're designing a page. So by putting that hand and keeping it white, it stands out more with the against the dark. Right, let's start to work on this guy now. Now, I've done this grid, but I've used blue because one, it doesn't show up when you print something, and two, I don't want it to distract from the design. Now, as I said at the beginning, I'm going to do this quite differently. So I've reduced our horizon line first of all down to here. This is 10 by 8 centimeters, so this is 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. So I can put this picture here quite comfortably in there, but I'm going to change. All of these are coming away from the boat shed, right? So this is coming away, coming forward. This is coming forward even better. This is probably pretty good. I think this is a better picture than this, maybe, but I just wanted to try a different point of view, because I want to see the boy's face more. I think we can really do a bit more close-up, so something like that. Okay, and right, okay, we've still got this low horizon, but let's look at from the stern, not from the bow. Okay, so So I'm thinking, see, as you draw these, you get much better ideas if you keep really flexible. So I'm thinking that I want a front view of the boy pointing to the moon up here somewhere, right? So back again, I have drawn the 4 boats. I'm not worrying about this location shot at the moment in these ones. I'm mostly concerned with the design, and having taken this a little bit further, I think there's some good points in it. The way there's a bit of action in the figure, and the communication between the 2 brothers is working. But I'm liking this one as well. I think it's a little bit more open, and we've got the idea of coming out, and also I've got the moon on this side and pointing on this side. Now, even though the boat is going to the left, the action is also going to the right, which is important as we want to turn the page, as it were. This action will lead us on to the next illustration. So let's persevere with it. So there we have it, viewer. I think I've decided on this one. Let me know in the comments if you've got an idea which one you'd go for. Be interesting to find out. But this is, as I said, it's just a sort of a research, in a sense, trying to figure out which is the best way that you can depict the story, and it's very convenient, this system, if you do 4, or you do a couple of pages. I almost always do a couple of pages. In that case, you've got a pretty good idea, and as you saw, we started off with these couple of roughies here and worked our way around, and then as you're thinking about it and you're relaxing more and allowing the creative side of your brain to work, you come back and you see, you can compare it easily, and frankly I came back to this one